Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the integer solution of x plus twice xy plus y is equal to 8. We have to find the value of x and y, or taking common x from these two terms, we can write this x, and taking common x from this x, it will be 1 plus taking common x from this twice xy, this x will remove and it will be twice y. So twice y plus this y is equal to, right side, this is 8. Or here this is twice y, so to make twice y, here we have to multiply both sides by 2. So multiplying both sides by 2, we can write this x times 2, this is twice x, times this 1 plus twice y. Rearranging this, we can write twice y plus 1. And multiplying by 2 here, it will be plus twice y is equal to 8 times 2, this is 16. Or this twice x times this twice y plus 1 plus, here this is twice y plus 1, so to make twice y plus 1, we have to add extra 1 to both sides. So twice y, this twice y, and plus 1. We have taken this extra 1 to make twice y plus 1 is equal to, right side, this will be 16, and to cancel this 1, we have to add extra 1 to this side. So this plus 1 and this plus 1 will cancel from both sides. Or now take common twice y plus 1. This can be written as this twice y plus 1. So taking common twice y plus 1, we can write twice y plus 1, and here it will be this twice x plus, here it will remain 1 is equal to 16 plus 1, this is 17. Or writing this twice x plus 1, we will get twice x plus 1 times this twice y plus 1 is equal to 17. This can be written as 1 times 17, or negative 1 times negative 17. Now, as we have to find the integer solution, so comparing both sides, we will get this twice x plus 1 is equal to this 1, and twice y plus 1, this is 17. So for first case, twice x plus 1 is equal to 1, and twice y plus 1 is equal to 17. Similarly, twice x plus 1, this can be 17. So twice x plus 1 is equal to 17, and twice y plus 1, this can be 1. So twice y plus 1 is equal to 1. And for this case, twice x plus 1, this is negative 1, and twice y plus 1, this is negative 17. So for this case, twice x plus 1 is equal to negative 1, and twice y plus 1 is equal to negative 17. Similarly, twice x plus 1, this can be this negative 17. So twice x plus 1 is equal to negative 17, and twice y plus 1, this can be negative 1. Now we have to solve this for set. For this case, twice x plus 1 is equal to 1. So twice x plus 1 is equal to 1. Taking this 1 to right side, we will get twice x is equal to this 1 minus this 1, or twice x is equal to 1 minus 1, this is 0. Now divided both side by 2, we will get the value of x is equal to 0. And from this equation, twice y plus 1 is equal to 17, or taking this one to right side, we will get twice y is equal to 17 minus 1, or twice y, this will be 17 minus 1 is 16, and divided both side by 2, we will get the value of y is equal to 8. So for this case, we have got the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8 in this case. And for this case, we have twice x plus 1 is equal to 17. So for first equation, twice x plus 1 is equal to 17. Or taking this 1 to right side, we will get twice x is equal to 16, and divided both side by 2, we will get the value of x is equal to 8. And for the second equation, twice y plus 1 is equal to 1, or taking this one to right side, we will get value of twice y is equal to 1 minus 1, this is 0, and divided both side by 2, we will get value of y is equal to 0. So for this case, we have found x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 0. So for this case, we have twice x plus 1 is equal to negative 1. So twice x plus 1 is equal to negative 1, or taking this one to right side, we will get twice x is equal to negative 2, and divided both side by 2, we will get the value of x is equal to negative 1. And for this second equation, twice y plus 1 is equal to negative 17, or this twice y, this will be taking this 1 to right side, it will be negative of 18, and divided both side by 2, we will get the value of y is equal to negative 9. So for this case, we have found x is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to negative 9. Now for this case, we have twice x plus 1 is equal to negative 17. So twice x plus 1 is equal to negative 17, or taking this one to right side, we will get twice x is equal to negative 18, and divided both sides by 2, we'll get the value of x is equal to negative 9. And for this equation, twice y plus 1 is equal to negative 1. Or taking this 1 to right side, we'll get twice y is equal to negative 2. And divided both sides by 2, we get the value of y is equal to negative 1. So for this case, x is equal to negative 9 and y is equal to negative 1. So finally, we have found the value of x and y is equal to, for this case, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8. And for second case, we have found x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 0. And for third case, x is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to negative 9. And for fourth case, x is equal to negative 9 and y is equal to negative 1. So these are the 4 integer solution of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.